Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch, taking a nap. It is 29th of March. It is a Monday. And today I will spend a few minutes quoting again and again and again. I don't know if I did that, but my most favorite passage in Marianne Williamson's book, Return to Love, and it's such a famous quote, is really something I want to talk to you about today. Here is what she says. Our deepest fear is that we're powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others. Automatically. So, yes. That means then that actually our fully participating in our own existence is the ultimate goal. We don't have to shrink away. I like that. If nothing helps, think Sofia Vergara. In Modern Family. I mean, such a liberation from fear. We have to fear nothing. Nothing is there to fear. I love this quote. Okay, so you'll see an old video because we were busy with Lucky cleaning all day. And we're gonna see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday, and it's gonna be 30th of March.